Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel where I demonstrate all things Linux. One of the trickiest tasks for new Vim users is how to exit, but I'm going to simplify it for you. The first step to exiting Vim is to always enter command mode. If you're not in command mode, nothing else matters. When you first open your file, you're automatically in command mode. And the way to know this is the K and J keys will move your cursor up and down. And since we're already in command mode, all we have to do is type :Q to exit Vim. Now going back into the file, we'll go into insert mode and make some changes. Now before we exit Vim, we have to ask ourselves, do we want to save the changes that we just made, or do we want to disregard and exit? So what we'll do right now is we'll disregard and exit. So go back into command mode first, which is always step number 1, which is with the escape key. And now we type :Q. Only this time, we add the exclamation mark to tell Vim to disregard our changes. And if we go back into the file, we can see our file didn't change. We'll make the same change again. But now we want to save our changes. So once again, step 1, go back into command mode with escape, type : and now we want to say write our changes, then quit. And if we go back into the file, we can see our changes were written. Now here's a shortcut that you can do. Make some more changes, go back into command mode, : and if you want to combine the W and Q keystrokes, you just type X. Thank you.